Impact News presents President Speak in connection with upcoming Lok Sabha election. Laklima Lok Sabha Mikhal ga Marilena, Manipur la riba tungan political party singi, President Singh unabagi thoramni President Speak.
मैं मुखरम जरे तो मेमोरी बस इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ने एक कितने प्रेम साना इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ की प्रेसिडेंट स्पीक टा मैं मुतराम नोक्सरी मणिपुर दा होजी होजी लाक्टे बा ताते सुबह लोकसभा मिखल ले मई लेना कोई मणिपुर की तोंगान तोंगान फम सिंगा चतुना इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ने मियाम गया पांबा पाउलम खरबा मतुंग लोनेना कोई मिरेप सिंगा उन्होंने वरी साखर मतुंग दा नौनो पुदन लाक्चरी बसे मणिपुर ले तोंगान तोंगान बा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिंगल लुसिंग सिंग उनरगा मखोई पार्टी सिंग असिना करम वखलोंदा इलेक्शन असि थेनरिबनो हाबी मतंग दा मियाम दा पाउलम जगतबनी अदुगा ngasi मियाम दा उनजगदौरी बसे मियाम तुरो इन खनगिरबा कोई मणिपुर दा लेरिबा रीजनल पार्टी सिंग असि मुर्थिगदरा हाइना नुनांगलम मियाम गी कोई नुनांग बदु कोखंदुना नौना मियाम दा वखल पिरखिबा दुगुमलबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया डेवलपमेंट पार्टी गी लुचिंग पर लोइबिरिबा नारेंगम समरजनी याम्बा अहम दा इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ तान मोक्सरी अदा अहम दा खंजनी से याम्बा कोई मणिपुर दा हाइतारे कोई सेंट्रल के सोसो पार्टी सिंजना आयनसिना चाही ताम अहुम लक सरकार पाइखरे मदुई मतुंग दा बीजेपी मुंग लाखरे असली मरकसिदा होजिक यामना कन्म फोर्स अमोइना आईएनसी में बीजेपी लेरिंगै मिचरसिदा कोई रीजनल पार्टी मनि थोपिरगला सुम लबतादे सुबा लोकसभा मिखल असिदा अनि मक्ता हाइतारे इनर अमदि आउटर दा मिरे ततोक पिरपसे मसी करम वखलोंदनो अदुगा करी करी तौगे हानि खनबि बगायबदो आहान बोइनम ता हाइबियो
इ थबजगे अखोइगे अखोइना मिखल थेंगनगेना मागी थोरकलिबसे मसी politics I say polis I say Aristotle the piramba polis I say city heaven aduna is a city state aduna we can see all the communities in the market have a ambasava wahi malai Aristotle the piramba market ta kuni yamatam da community khudimak loi ubhangane haiba city to the market to the community khudimak loi ne urisa masi combine tawduna socialize tawgadage organize over form amada combine tawgadage have say lakmat da designated the city and state designated to politics aduna politics say da digi lakpane democracy have say leragadi political party later swayadre because democracy have say demo means people having is a people having it's not a single aduna monarchy lerambadigi democracy la evani aduna mono have the single ne aduna demo have the people having aduna people crazy means to rule people single rule to ba adugum laba magi form of ama haibani aduna political party have say masi lete suya bi yadrabani political powers person masi well organized ro putaragadi it can create a state within a big one acho magi manungda macha state ama muksem bi yai then I show the mulaksarage this is something about the politics how we understand politics as a warrior of the North East India Development Party ki warrior ama oina North East India Development Party link tinge mamangda aigi akhoye amanba akhoye bija bank ki manager na loan pibiramba car 800 amakhak mana aingonda loan pibirame madugi gari du da act for the last 6 months sangna North East sin tuna kachin kya si koye loina sin tun with a team of akhoye ai sayongna khoi mari khoi punna koirega Mizoram adagidi Young Mizo Association unai adagidi Nagaland adagidi Tripura adagidi Assam adagidi Meghalaya Sikkim mayam sa koi matang unaraga lairiba mayam sing sigi magi tongan ba lairiba magi ahoba potholes mayam sing sa karam potholes social potholes economic potholes and a political potholes mayam sing sa masi yeng paidal masi mayam sing khomjalaga tasalaga la aga aikoida masi ena finding amo oina masi thamaba matungda sona ka batam khara business ki oba setup ama economic independence economic dependence akoi leiba sa masi akoi khara makhaidi masi akoi liberal tokna bagi damakta koi masi khara makhaidi handokna bagi damakta akoina asang ba yawol imagi haidena tawga tholaga masi akoi economic ge chawba revolution ama koi changhen ba hawi we just focus on the regional politics why regional politics is required I just want to ask to the government of India to the sovereign of the constitution that Why a special provision is there? 1971 clause C Manipur gina, Nagaland gina 1971 clause A. So my gonna Kashmir so labor special provision me am saying why? Kadi kita minova. Si kanan hungry sin. Never ever raise any questions about this. See thum special provision thum bagi matau di tegi nati. Hi but to foster democracy. Democracy si magi marik pahuk se masi centungna cover to ngam na bagi damakta regional gi oiba port ama sagat na bagi damakta sige special provision tham mine. So you unite, you solve your own problems, don't depend to others. Other India is a very vast big country now, vast country. India is not a single nation, India is a multi-nation country. Go Gujarat thokpa problem do Manipur equine chalaga Manipur equine chalaga Gujarat ki problem solve to yagraba yadiko Karnataka de yagadra not impossible, Punjab de yagadra, Kerala de yagadra, anywhere in India next state sing sida magi thoiba problem issue sing ado current problem say one is social objectives, social problems, one is political problems, social problems the mayam ahne political problems an issue bane, then economic problems, issues. Problem haruge issues ngatani. These are the issues. Hariba issues sing asa. Magi stage ke thokjeri ba mayam sing do. Masi aina chupai pachalaga. Aina yam the greediness wedna. Adi kram chok dna. Aina lamsal laga. Aina to ni haina to ga. Wadu to chuya yaro. Chot to ga moeba. Dan adu dagadi. Masagi special provision amai ko ki dam ke thambira mi bedo. Asi khangna thamam bra ni di loyeba. Madubang for the last not only time home Congress BJP na adu I will never count on that ways, but I count how much we old, how much we were handicapped, how much we paralyzed. 70 years never say humdra sigi chahi humdra sa masi kana sigi chahi humdra sigi akhoi but chap realization ama tokdina akhoi ba problem issue sing sa mina bingo da sum sop to honna bagi damakta akhoi na thadoktra matam koidina matam kuine dagi khongai chanduna akhoi na leir tai thokpa sa ngasi di san na wai dingai da hawgot obuna sungmane aina khalle ba ko aduna maram oraga the regionalism have sa akhoi na semana tene. If you believe growth, the spelling of the growth, Growth, growth. See, growth I was suppose economic growth. This is tangible. It is not touchable. Growth I was tangible, it is not touchable. Mari thing we have object na table. The growth. So India is growth economic growth. So the regionalism, the force of regionalism, the spirit of the regionalism, automatically by nature, naturally growth. See growth of the Maramoraga, Nasigi environments that Tiluba, I coida, Maduki Ihuldo, Tengru and Nuchito. Tengru with the gate, then we realize, oh, I could problem the Quina, so talks about Tongzakadavanico, have a quick coming ever. Madam De, Dalina, a quick problem, so Tobangamoy. India is a vast country. Nation Amagi, state Amagi, India is a state. State Amagi, Magi, size. Kahina, chocolate limitation like the Kahina chocolate administration Kabila. Administration Kabila, the Yoks and Mungam the Kaila air. Panchayati Ras, Tamzaleko. Why Panchayati Ras is so much important in our country? Democracy Chatnabalevamina, a good democracy in Kari Hairi. Nakoi Nasa Nasagi, issue sing, Nasana Sanaluchin, Jagadabani, Hibasa, democracy, the Eden Yauri. Aduna period indicate that indicate the very indication that you raise your voice on a platform, on a very institution, no institution to give money with a quick voice to raise the wife. That will be Aduna fulfilled over Namunab. Aduna Nahangi Chayi Humudra say can be talked about Nasidi regional party Moina. We will focus Northeast India Development Party na Karihari Northeast Havanico. Northeast India. I could see India, India, Northeast India Havanico. Then development. What kind of development? We're going to be practiced and we're going to be offered to our peoples in the Northeast. Come on, yes, necessarily Sulak, but our primary focus the North East tokeneva. North East region da. Aduga nation issue lak matam da akoi yogani. Sidi masana tangai da bani. Aduna akoi development pigadoribasi North East India ki development pigadoribasi in the social development, political development, and economic development. Social development, education, culture, tradition, then political development. What about the citizen amendment bill? I think the tongan ba issue me ama political issues. Issue me am sing sa must develop togone. We will akoi madu ki measure do akoi madu create togone. Madu akoi introduce togone. Madu ki measure akoi the political lady ba issue thengani ba mayam sing sa masi akoi madu ki measure putokane. Not is in a development party now. Within a short period of time, we are the reactionaries. The type in the reactionaries because we want revolutionaries. Revolution ang ngam da ba thabak to ngasi North East India Development Party gi another chapter ama the very revolution on the base of the politics to foster the democracy. Since na koina resolve to guna madubang ne koina tamingis.
Ayam no ajay kogi isagi problem sing sagi lam da topo isu sing asi sana luchen jana bagi dum laba kogi wakalon da tholak pani hai bagi wakalon siamna tab da no ajay duga makhata na kogi khangjen ingi se hojik hojik lakadori election se mai le na INC gi wena hojik fawda inner gi na hai batare lairiba assembly segment contract ni thoisida moina lairi se already moi they have 10 seat kogi moina kan no laikram phamse aduga lairiba kungani thoyesina kogi CPI da anima support tawgani haina kogi NPP gi minister singna onu kheba laikre aduga lehuri singina BJP ngakta ni hairiba system mana auto da so tarama thoyemana BJP gi ni tarama thoyemana INC gi ni NPF ki mari ni NPP gi ani malairi sigi marak sida kogi NEIDP gi mirep ani auto da ma inarama sangsilak laga kogi mai pak na bhona rakli base masigi mijeng jikram na thami bage kitang kogi kogi election campaign gum se khara theng na hogi bage kitang weak point legdra na tagana masigi marom da kogi mai pak ni haibi karam karam ba kogi wakalon sing lebi bage haibdo matem tang pan
Yes. Uzaw ma tu bage makol se am howe. Ade uzaw do hogolak putadi makolam thoki de haitare. That is the modality what NEIDP is using in its growth. Akogi growth, the mode of campaign we want to modify it. To tell. Huzik tamneriba campaign sings the is a si campaign sings akoi chungya akoina masi yaningde sigumbagi campaign si akoi masi chathaningge tobudabu hojikti handakti am nungai babana akogi tongan ba media fraternity gi sinau singna candidate sing si mai pulap ka ko moi lemine pulap ka phamandana mayam gi question ga hangandana kodandana tobuse yam academic oine ko sigumbagi mawong si akoi masimak as a part of the magi components of the sagi campaign dugi components samane long sigi campaign gi components people public na man society sida maduda pirak pa adugi podruk hen baitar intellectual circle degi tongan ba magi civil society magi body sing degi aduna aikoi gi oina tongana vodka da baya di ka ne campaign to gi mong du natam aduna ina haise uzaw ma hogolak putadi mokon thokte udu tu budadi mokon yam thu haise huzik campaign da loudspeaker tha dana ama tawdana amaga hunadana angi batori ba khuding mak singsa makoi sa mamale pak si kari no aibsa machak chukang khang da ba mi ngak tane aduna moji uzaw ni karam uzaw tu gadro uzaw ni aduna makon yam ho boitar choro jam mai do aduni tor khadusi adubu akoi di the silent type sa keno kanda akoina karigumba para ama pharamdaida akuse silently sigi silence sigi importance kaina we are communicating with the silent. There's the importance of the darkness, there is the importance of the silent. What is the importance of the darkness? Amambagi importance kaina we can see the stars in the darkness, not in the sunshine. Nungsa thokum matam dira koina star ubangam deva, but in the darkness we can see the stars. Even the same in the silent so ngasi NEIDP na yes mayam na seasonary but tam aina diam hiding debo NEIDP yam seasoning debo muscle power adagidi money power kaibise. Who give the powers of muscles? Who are using? And the money powers na kanana pivano. Then money powers can buy the muscle powers. Muscle powers can earn the money powers again. It is a gambling and a low way. So let them use any kind of powers. But our powers is just realization. We realize. Madam, the Akui Shani Shabu Sakanza, Tisidiki na awful of the late. Nasi in NEIDP na Akui Shani Shabu, regionalism ki oiba, Stinamalo the Villade, Akui Sagi solution sana, issuing sana sort of the Gatabani, Hypeki, Wakalon, Amada, realized or is must you one day the whole the region, the peoples in the region will realize. Adugi matam duda ne akoina mittagi pi taraga okuna kaptoisi. Adugi matam du bog de NEIDP na akoina tongan ba mayamgi tongni ba mawong sida akoi highway akoi di just akoi chatlaga mafam da meeting masa amam tawraga mayam da what is regionalism sige want to karino national party sige mogi wakalosna kaino national party na national interest thabuk chatkine regional party na regional ki interest thabuk tawgune ba national ki party na national ki magi kero thabuk tawput matamda magi administration asoiba layeba yobang amdeba aduduna ngasi Manipur da for the last 70 years sida ngasi kari tawrage sinida hojik pawda loichandaba dam lari loichandaba thong lari loichandaba lambi lari changbi adam mafam mayam lari sigi mayam singsa masi loinama left over ne completely left sidai sida akoina moiga manana akoi marolon ba koi pamjade moiga manana sajatli chachat ba koi pamjade NEIDP over top character ama NEIDP ki character sa masi mangthok pi gano NEIDP character sida akoi de masi pattern of behavior and the characters da akoi de chatlaga tasing election thengna gani mayok na gani param de maduda election thengna ba sa masi political party amagi de mathau ni political party mal ingalaga di masi mathau ni adu political democracy chalaga di political party linga gadam ni I independent thoi ni ga to sa masi di this is something that are very absent minded peoples, but we do welcome them. One day I can share with them the very knowledge what I have. Aristotle had me. Political science is the master of all the sciences. Politics asi kamana laki bunai sagi community mayam duda gi mayam duna market ta leiba community mayam sing do traffic jam whatever congested whatever madu rule amana bound to the other ba pataraba aduna nupi ki side ka khadruktra. So this is the growth of the politics. Adune Aristotle had me say kakpe atra bani ko sa aduna adumai tokna akoi election tenagani makoina number da 32 adu by akoi si amata akoi khangde aduna high number mayam sing say one day it will add to our party muigi natabani na akoi ki regional ki oibani na regional da sigi number sing lo chang kine. That's where the time
yam noise ko ki regionalism gi wakalon sing ase tam miyam sandu matungda koina pam level am sigi thok level su sing ase khoi loishin ngam gani haibagi wakalon sing ase miyam da sandu laba matungda khoi regional party more ba NEIDP da khoi masing kayam hengala kini haiwa phamne duga makhatan laksaning base hosiki campaign gi matang se NEIDP gi campaign taw matam mifam taw matam da khoi athing ba et pirak pagi pause khoi mamang da su NEIDP gi press meet taro phonu khiwa laikre aduga hauji khaitare impact news phangwa paw da su hauji maksu koi outer gi mire foi ba sang ka sarna magi bifam gum chapa matam da koi ayet pa thing ma pirak pa aki khang polak pagi paw ma phangi masigi matang na kai kai bining bage aduga sugum thokli basing asi hoji pali belengak aduga mamang da pan ki belengak sina shoiram badagi hoji sumaina koi kudong thi ba haitare sugum mayok nari bno haibdo matim ta tambiyo
yamna nungai aita sengna kappe mitegi pitai thinga ko matam da I mitegi pita is masi wabagi amadi mina pubi e habigi potanatab. Oh, see, I quit there, make up tolaka the ray habigi. Maquid thing is there, must make up tolopagi, masi kano amani, kongtang amani. Madam de change have sikano. Without meeting any kind of challenges, we cannot be changed. A home wife is challenge something that a home propaganda. Sigi yum agi yum se sarkum matam da gunia han tawe pillar han yum di gunia to matam da lekom ne nam puti taken. These are the challenges. Adu challenges sing ma'am sing do madu properly am organized ba systematic way mada bushal akanda haibi yum jinga si oiraga masidi ai sida house na taba home mo oina ai stay tawrina samai tawduna sang sargida outergida loud eba konjel ma'am sing se loud they are communicating us, so we have a chance to reply them, to answer them. Marandi makoy chung law tabudu ne koina wari se law pa targadi kanna bu law gera thina bu law gera chai bu chai gera ko law pa targadi, then we understand there is someone koina udaba, there's someone akoi gumba mi ba kang omal lei re asi kadam lon da hai ibno ka I to ibno kadam ma gi nature to phong do ibno do madu yengu matam da koi isilnaw sing koina bai wani da haji chingmi tam ai sa pun bani da I should lower but we blood yauri ba ngon so 50-50 aduna hojik asang ka sagida akoida apan bane na koi logde, it's a challenge for us, so we have to meet the challenges, then we will bring the change.
Yam no je duga makhata lak tum je makhoi gi hojik lei ba political scenario maruina national party singi makhoi gi yamna akan ma wave 5 tare asigu mayam aduga auto da NPF adu NPP sule duga suma mayam marakida ko gi NEIDP na khwaidigi nakna bol lamba oigni khan base I karam bano aduga karam thengna bi gitagi haibdo adugi matem taga panbi
NEIDP gi nakna bol lamba am ta leite Mandy, we are very beyond their philosophy and thoughts. I quick lamba I see cry the tone of the lamba, for example. Mandy, Makoina regionalism gi chapchava concept philosophy the later now. They're just collecting pickup whatever they have. They're just buying whatever they have with the value from their own pocket, from their common pocket. Adugi potuni. This is not a straight fight. Mandi, a quick regionalism about concept and philosophy to that. A quick realized or say, Quishan is hatok say, monocracy, the gate, democracy lakune. India ki lady ba I hijaki says that. Competition talk they have said. Makoina Kangiba, India Siga. NEIDP Kangiba, India Siga. Masi number 1 is the Kenavalator. Makoina Kangiba politics to ga. NEIDP Kangiba politics ga. Matu the Kenavalator. Number 3 the Moina Kangiba money duga. NEIDP Kangiba money siga Kenavalay. Number 4 Moina Kangiba currency duga. NEIDP Kangiba currency duga. Adu Kenavalay. Number 5 Moina Kangiba India constitution duga. In many NEIDP India constitution Kenavalay. Moina Kangiba parliament haiduga. Kuna Kangiba parliament siga Kenavalay. High pet or with the manner the yai. Ending the soldier finishing the cannery. Aduna Kamai to the state pride or do you know? Jury in Adum Yang Biaravan Sigi Ports. A people's Adum jury where the city. Madam they, this is not the voting right what they are going to vote. I appeal to all the peoples, all the sections of the peoples of Northeast and especially in Manipur. I quit voting right, this is my sovereign right. Democracy do Isha Ujaravan. Aduna Madubu Aina Kamai to Duna Chahi Manga de Pachonga di Yonduino. Agi sovereign do. I quite a good ama representative ama Kalibasa. Kalino I can I quit sovereign since Chahi Manga transport over. Aduga Mana Madu administrator Motamda, Madu equally Chaba constitution gi kind of one with the top than a wider. Other Sigi Chatiba, parliamentary member when a secretary bar, I quit any when a passy. We should not look, we should not say like inner and outer, just count 2. Ani secretary in the way. Secretary say, the point of this they will take part to frame a policy and the laws. Adu Simagi Mana secretary say, Machi Chapamatamda, Muni Similar laws, Pastor Ba, laws, Masiamu Constitution da, pilot or Magadi, Supreme Court of Katalem. Aquino was a pada, Kay allegiance to the Constitution. Allegiance to the Constitution, I say, Karigino. Sovereign is a constitution that they have in a draw. Supreme Court of Makapunga Magadi, Alutari Kedora. Nasaki Moy the Pig was sovereign right to Constitution of Mohandra. Constitution of 1 lakh, it reverts back to the peoples again. So sigi oiba pot da koina yegba matamda akoi competitors be yaude mamdi kegno hakanda uchek mayamna nong chuba matamda uchek mayamna pai die moi makunda urumda una marakta ukhada nong tupaleyaba but the eagle flies eagle lipayaba because the eagle flies above the clouds. So among all the politicians, among all the political parties, NEIDP is the eagle, though they are the birds.
yam nuai se duga ayam makata na khangsin ninge se ko gi Manipur tuan ba regional political party myam laikre aduga maru ina hoju hoju lai veteran politician ayam ba Manipur gi regional political party gi haubna yam noi adu Manipur da ko gi regional political party sum lairam laga ko gi matam khari mang dagi hauna tam tam muthar khibi maram se maru ina kari oi bi ay aduga NEIDP na hoji ki yamna fajaba regionalism gi wakhalon sing se miyam da yauhan bada hojik se miyam kudimak aware oren khanbra natraga miyam pumnamak tai tare hojik lai riba fajaba wakhal sing se yauhan bada matam kyam kuinan chang khigani khali kari haibi ningi sing matang ta.
Yes, I thamjage hana leramiba akoi gi veteran akoi gi politicians leaders sing regionalism da yumpham oiraga sagatchar makoi gi platform sing ado ngasi su mangdan lengdan dilei. We do not count the structures of the building. We just count makoina big effort and the spirit and their will still remain the same. Mogi will amadi ma masadi physicality out of revo building do you want, but their spirit is within. The sunshine is within. That spirit I used to name the sunshine. Adugi regionalism was sagat bagi magi spirit to ai maming mo tholeba the sunshine ada sigil sunshine within me and within each one of them adu akoi mathak ki oina laiba numit cha sigi sunshine siga link tong na kanaba. This sunshine will tell us the time when you can wake up. The moon will tell us the time when you can sleep. So NEIDP are very natural aduna sigi natural ki atmosphere amada hingi banina hariba potu moi sibanate makoina han already yumpam tholam baduna maram oraga ngasi NEIDP su adu yutu thirakpane adubu ngasi gi yes I'm a very energetic and a dynamic and a new generation young man ada ayumbam NEIDP le yum mayam sa sina ngasi gi root cause now we find out so we'll make history. So NEIDP na peoples the akogi peoples in the see awareness am people have sa it won't take much more time because the time is very limited. After the election of BI, before the election of BI, NEIDP will spread our message everywhere, each and every corner of the state and in the region through F.
Mokata na hai tare ko gi hojiki kano gi election se la ka da ko gi NEIDP gi manifesto yengjare melo masida yawi busing se maruina hojik ayamba issue sing adum kano include tawi aduga maruina hojik Manipur gi miyam na kwaidi hena koina sum impact news sa sa matam da Manipur gi miyam na haibi dai se CAV miyam na nak recently yamna irang thokiba ko gi ton man ki lam sing da irang thokiba CAB haiba ko gi amendment bill se masi se chungpam pam de miyam na Manipur miyam na koigi party moina haitare regional party moina kari kari meng thamining bage aduga maru oina hojik lai issue sigi manungda khwaidagi hena khwaidagi ahan boina koigi mihut amoina laklaba matamda karam issue na hana pakat kadagi haibadugi matang no samatem thambi.
Yes, manifesto is a policy. Policy is a law. That means moigi di vision of BI. Our manifesto is a policy. Manipur ngase Armed Forces Special Power Act tongan but draconian dark laws me ama black laws me ama lai basa mas external to come disikari why central to come disikari why though they are the government it's a policy of the government policy do nane policy e am luiko adna policy is a dictionary ki policy do nate ko there's something different state I will say STATE is a do India is a state hay no wale the kapiro ka naam ta hay India is a state sigi state ki definition is luri si dictionary ki state nati hai banida BBC ka hot talk ta national party magi yamna maru leader amana north east ke leader amada question ama hangre BBC ka hot talk ta kari question raise to where is Northeast see adu khang the national party leader sing duna Manipur gi kamai tu resolution solution to ko no issue sing se mo gi leader sing duna lokta ki mar da khang abra akoi gi oiba ukul gi leiba hundung gi manong manjan ba leiba mayam sing gi issue sing se khang abra yeng abra minority ki oina leiba akoi gi maiti pangal sinau sing gi mai issue sing se moi nai ne abra khang abra akoi gi turin moli bi moi u abra but everything we are saying we are watching Resident party di yung kung di uri mo si ngunit dito udam nina soma pa o pinagpudo na ibo yung tagalo nang the DPR sar o nang project sema o see they're running an NGO adi kaya mo democracy sa ba monarchy digi democracy la abas pa buda ngasi achaw pa malakane na prime minister lakane haidna kugi migi program tong sakada ba machalay migi program tong sakada ba putu yitu halle sigi matak sta amu akoi ikai kum da matik charaba akoi ichilinaw igi mari ichilinaw sing manungodi mapal le biri ba kudi mangna asu amu thinjen biri ba awa bu de akoi da mayok nei moidi bot khombe ki free thalo kre mito akoi bot khombe ya handre natro see this is a pain but this pain I like such kind of pain sima pain sine ngasi akoi se strain ka ba sakal ibse aduna we receive more pains but we never die because we have a dream and until we realize what dream we will never fall
yam no ai ko ge thing mo mayam sin maram mor ga ko gi hena thauna ma happy hai badum ba wakhalon duni aduga loishilak pada ayam ba ko gi NEIDP gi puthokli ba midep ani si oina hai tare hojik la kadori ba election asida Manipur gi miyam da roi boina kari paujil kai hai bining ba kai appeal to bining ba mating am ta hai bi
Manipur ge miyam da akoi ge igi chilunau koi chingmi tami khoi punamakpo Northeast India Development Party ge thamoi nung dege thamoi ge laka nung dege yai proposal pizari loina na lakadru election asigi damakta Northeast India ge arangba anauba numit ama thokan nabagi damakta ekoina konseng ani ka makoi ani ase ekoina loina mak Northeast India Development Party na makoi ge oiba thamoi ge thawai ge emotion ge magi intellectual ge magi leiba gyan ge knowledge ge punamak asinga sa masi punamak akoi tasinga akoi masen khangmin ba matungda miyam ge soidra makidamta Northeast India Development Party na ngasi thangkaliba khut asa masigi maiwonda chap chana miyang gi thamgani habsa masigi achetpa thajaba amaga loinana amadi achetpa adungla ba khoigi lipun amaga loinana miyang gi damag khudol tamjabani aduna haiba khoigi athoba ani asibu miyam nuksibiduna miyam gi maman yamlaba sovereign do transfer to biduna adungla ba Delhi gi parliament miyam gi north east gi damag matam changandana haiba political issues sing social issues sing amadi economic issues sing asa mase loisanaba masi solution porku matamda mating panganba ngamanba wen view waina yang punda norukna yak haijere
yam no ai thagachre yamba masini ngasigi akogi president speak ki thoromda unajekhiba aduga makhata na tungan ba Manipur da leiba political party singi losing basing unaraga makoina kari khallibage happy matana miyamna problem jike hojiki wala de camera person sapam Henry golona problem jeri bai ketumem pramsan impact news info